The Samsung Galaxy is a phone that's unlike anything you'll have seen on the market. It's just stunning, and we've spent a few months testing out its workings properly. It's incredibly expensive in a world where mid-range phones are more than good enough to handle most tasks people like, but the second you pick it up it's easy to see why. The screen is just brilliant, the clearest, sharpest, and offers lovely color reproduction to make movie watching a dream, and that's before you've even got to the fact it's wrapped into the chassis so hugely that it has a screen larger than the iPhone 7 Plus in a chassis that feels more like the iPhone 7. The Galaxy S8 isn't perfect. In the search to squeeze the screen in so completely, other factors were overlooked, namely, the placement of the fingerprint reader. If you want this phone, you'll need to answer this question: are you okay using an iris scanner? And if you are looking for something even bigger, and with a much improved battery life to boot, then the Galaxy S8 Plus is easily the way to go. Check out our review of that to see if that's the phone for you. But the Galaxy S8 is firmly a phone that rises above those points to combine everything into a handset that really impresses in the hand, fitting seamlessly into day-to-day life, as long as you can get over the dizzying price. The Samsung Galaxy S8 isn't the cheapest phone on the market by any stretch of the imagination. In fact, it's one of the most expensive. You're really paying for that screen. In the UK, the contract price is already dropping rapidly though, with some deals offering the phone for way less than £30 per month with a substantial amount of internet included. Check out our selection of the best Samsung Galaxy S8 deals in the UK. Or, you can purchase it SIM-free for a whopping £639. We've seen the price fluctuate to a little bit below that mark, but the price has moved both up and down in the past. In the US you're going to pay between $30 to $31.25 a month for this phone with a 24-month contract through American carriers like Verizon, AT&T, Sprint, and T-Mobile. For $724.99, there's an unlocked Samsung Galaxy S8 in the US. If you want to go SIM-free right away or want any other unlocked color, you'll have to pay off one of the carriers first. In Australia, you're looking at a shade under $1,200 to get your hands on the phone outright. On a contract from the major Aussie telcos, prices start at around $65/month for basic options. The latter price will get you 500 MB of data and $300 worth of calls and texts from Virgin Mobile, but if you want something a little more substantial, i.e. with more than a couple of gigs of data, there are quite competitive plans starting at around $70/month from Optus, with Telstra's better offerings, such as its 5GB M plan, costing $85 or more.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.